Hon, welcome back to the channel. This is Stephsgotit, and we're going to try this again. Today we're going to do an unbagging. This is a book I've had for a while now, and I needed to unbox it, so let's go ahead and do it now. You may have seen it, and you may not have seen it, but if you haven't, here goes. This is my second attempt. I just attempted to do an unbagging for something from the cyber sale and opened the bag, and it was not what I thought it was. It was something I ordered, but it was not the order that I was trying to unbag. I wanted to unbag something new for you, so we'll get that in a minute. I'm so behind on unbaggings and unboxings, but here we are. This is the Kell of a Plan sticker book. This is her Stripes and Florals that she loves to sing. And I find that I really like Stripes and Floral too. So I said I was going to unbox this, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. All right, so here we go. This is her, I think it's her first Stripes and Floral book, but it's her third or fourth book. I can't remember for sure. But anyway, at the time that I got this, of course, there were plenty of them left. And I think there are currently some left, but I will double check and leave it down in the description box below. If you missed it, I'm sorry. This is very cute. I love these colors. These are gorgeous colors. And of course, you have to write on that with a white pen or something. So you get this page on every page, the same layout. Okay, look at those colorful bullets. They're huge. I think I like my bullets a little smaller, but you can cut them in half, maybe even in quarters. And then you get 3 strips of washi in 2 different designs, 3 over here, 3 over here, and you get your long sticker. This is so stinking cute. You get the days of the week, and then the word focused, to do, don't forget, work, today, bills, chores, errands, and birthday. Okay, and so and then you get the third page is flowers that match the theme. These are so cute. The camera isn't doing them justice. They're so vivid and the colors are so alive. Oh, I love that color scheme. All right, so again, that same setup. And her thought process for that was once you know what stickers you have, you kind of know where you like to place them, and you get some familiarity with the stickers. Okay, so this is really cute. It's black and white, and you get stripes and then florals. This is cute too. And all your words are in black because that's the theme for this one. And here are your flowers, and these flowers are clear, and these are all paper. Okay, so the flowers are clear. Let's go back. Come on. They don't want to. This happens even with a Mandy sticker book. This happens. Sometimes it's just hard to get them up. They're clear. Yeah. Oh no! I tore it out. Um, I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm going to punch a hole in this book. That's something I wish she would do is put a hole in there so that we can put the little ribbons or I like to put the little plastic things in the tip so that they don't come out like this. I like to put things like these loops in there so that they hold all of your little pages together. I'm thinking about using this for a plan with me, which I'm about to do after this, so that's why I had that here. But I'm really sad that this came out because now it could fall out, and I mean, I know it. And you can't put a hole through because she's got that sticker right there. So guess I'll have to tape it in. No, can't do that because that will tape this. Well, stinker. I don't know how I'm going to keep that from not falling out. Anyway, so those are clear. And then here's the next one. Who would have thought stripes and florals would go to good together so well? Oh, look at that! It matches my manicure. My dip wheels. Yes, they need to be redone, I know. So that's that one. Really pretty. In the screen, it looks really purple, but it's just such a cute blend of pink and purple. My light might be a little too bright for you to see it clearly, but there are your stripes, there are your florals. These are in green and these are in the same shade of pink, and then these are in light pink. And here are your florals, very pretty, very muted. Okay. And you got this one. What an interesting color. I don't know that I would have naturally put these colors together, but they look really good together. There's a stripe, there's a floral. This floral is more on the larger scale. Not sure about. And then here's your box. It doesn't have a flower or anything in it, I guess because the flowers are in the background. And your words. Okay. And there are your clear florals. Interesting because those looks like a white floral is in the center of those. Funny. And this one feels really springy. I don't know that these are going in order by any holiday or anything, but I know the other book is. By now, her second book is out. By the time you see this, her second book will be out. It's already out. So there's that one. There's your stripes. There's your floral. I like this one. And this one you have two florals, and your colors are green, red, and whatever this little periwinkle type color here is. Okay. And there are your florals. Pink, if you like pink, you'll like that. Okay. This is a gray peachy kind of vibe. Okay. And there's your stripes and there are your florals. I'm not like loving this, but it is interesting. This is cute. Okay, there you go. Beautiful, beautiful. I love this. Is that two stickers or one? Of course, it's gonna fight me to come up. Ugh, let's see. It is two stickers. Yay. So these are like the corner stickers. It's very pretty. Wowza. Look at that. Those are so cool. This is a fun color combination. And the stripes look like candy stripers and it's just really fun. Look at that bullet point. Uh, that's cool. Okay. And there's your stripes. There's your florals. These are all different. That and I love how the words start out yellow and transition to orange on the days of the week. I love that. That's really pretty. And then here are the flowers for that. Wow, this is interesting. It's minty green, kind of a dark minty green, and coral and a red, which all blends together fine. I'm looking at the monitor and it's not showing true to color, at least the way I see it here. So I hope when I watch it back, it's showing more true to color. But it's very vibrant. It's a hair. It's very vibrant. There are your stripes. I'm not a real fan of these little florals, but this is gorgeous. And then there are the days and everything. This is kind of like watercolor. It looks almost watercolorish. Oh, this is just lovely. Black and pink and grays. Just a lovely combination. Um, and they're somewhat the same type of boxes as you look through. Of course, I pick all the flower ones. So you get used to the same shape boxes and the same type of design. Um, I don't know if that pushes your imagination or not, but here are your stripes. She does vary the stripes. That's interesting. And the flowers on these washies. So those are your washies and there are your flowers. Okay. I'm sorry, there are your days of the week. Here are the flowers. That's pretty. It also looks like a watercolor. It's very pretty. I would love to have had a corner piece that would have been really cool in this color combination. Oh, look at that. That's so springy. So there you go. And I love that these stripes are different colors and they're your florals, little bouquets, and then some singles. So it's single bouquet, single bouquet, single bouquet. Okay. There's your log sticker and the days of the week. And there are your florals. You get these kind of longer florals, the top one also. I don't know why, but for me, that one seems upside down. It seems like it should be that way. What do you think? I think this way is right side. But of course, it's your book. You can be any way you want it to be. That's the cool thing about it. All right, that's it, guys. That is, I don't know how I'm going to keep this from popping out. Maybe I'll tape it back here, but then I'll forget. Anyway, so that's the Caliber Plan Stripes and Floral. Her first Stripes and Floral sticker book. Not her first sticker book, but the first Stripes and Floral. And yeah, I don't know if you can still get them because she doesn't go back. Once it sells out, she moves on to a different book, which is good and bad if you really want that book again. But there it is. The very first Kell of a Plan, Stripes and Floral, her favorite sticker book. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you like the channel, then please feel free to click the subscribe button down below. And that way you can be notified anytime that we upload videos to this channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for emails some of you have sent me. I so appreciate it and find it helpful. With that being said, hon, remember, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's those small and simple things in life that really make life worth living. Love and shimmies, babe.